Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you my favorite drugstore shampoo and conditioner for dry, damaged, bleached hair. Yeah. These are my top current favorites at the moment, and I really recommend it to you guys. So I'm going to start with this one right here. Like, even from the shampoo, it's just heaven. So I got the Pantene Miracle Moisture Boost with rose water sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. I have talked about these two in one of my last videos I made about my favorite shampoos and conditioners. So these are still in, you guys. So the shampoo is like a foamy conditioner. Like, it really hydrates my hair. When I massage it throughout, you guys, my hair, it's just this silkiness, and my hair loves it. So I've been really enjoying these two. The conditioner, amazing as well. I can brush my hair easily, and I have very fine hair. I really get knots, and when I shampoo my hair, it tend to be rough. So when I go in with a conditioner, I like to comb my hair while I have the conditioner on, and it's just that silkiness, you guys. These two, it's worth the price. The only thing is that the bottles are small. I wish I had like the liter ones. If you haven't tried these, you have to. Now, I know Pantene has several versions of this line. I haven't tried those at all. I like the pink bottle ones. I think they have blue, yellow, and another color, I believe. But the pink one is my favorite. So I totally recommend, check it out. If you have dry hair, you guys, if you have hair that really tangles a lot, and you need restoration, hydration, all that good stuff, then those are nice. Okay, this one is a recent discovery. I am in love. I kind of accidentally discovered this particular product. And you guys, I did a dedicated video for this product because it's just amazing. So it's the Redken Extreme Bleach Recovery Treatment. You guys, everybody needs this. It's not only for people with bleached hair. If you have any dye on your hair, you can use this too. Natural hair as well. This is just a dream. Now, I've used it 3 times and I'm already low. It's $23. You can get it at Ulta, so you don't have to be a professional hairstylist, a licensed professional hairstylist to purchase this. It is just this miracle product, you guys. As soon as you apply it, it's funny because as you apply it, it's really warm. It's like if you're applying warm water throughout your hair. It's really weird. I don't know the technology behind this product, but it even says in the product, so in like the directions or whatever, and you can apply 4 doses. So 1 dose is 10 milliliters, and you can go up to 4 milliliters. I use usually 4 every time because my hair is kind of long and I have bleach all the way up to my root, so I need all the help I can get. So I've been really loving this. It's $23, you guys, if you haven't checked it out. I love it, and I'm going to be repurchasing this again. So these are products that I'll be repurchasing again, you guys. I don't want to be adventurous and try to find something else because these are really working for me fantastically. So this is the last products that I have. It's from Gabrielle Union's line, so Flawless, and I have tried the conditioner, shampoo, the detangling leave-in conditioner, the hydrating curl refresher spray, and also the restoring exotic oil treatment. So I've tried all of these 5s. I don't have the shampoo. I think I throw away the bottle, but I am in love with this brand. amazing to condition the hair, hydrate. My hair feels super soft. I can comb my hair through very easily, and I was just so impressed. I also tried their 3-minute mask. I had a sample when I purchased these products. Beautiful, also amazing. I did see a few products here on a few reviews here on YouTube, and the majority of the girls who were reviewing this particular line were beautiful girls with 4C hair, and most of the reviews were not that great. But for bleached hair, it tends to be amazing. So these have the same effects. The shampoo and conditioner, same effect as the Pantene one. The shampoo, it feels like your hair is silky smooth when you're massaging it through your hair. The conditioner, immediately instant conditioner. I mean, you can feel as soon as you apply it on your hair, it tends to go very like silky smooth, and you just feel it right away. So I absolutely loved these. I got these from Sally's. They were affordable, I think around the same price as these ones, and amazing. Now the detangling leave-in conditioner I cannot leave without, so I come out, spritz it all over my hair, and I comb it, and then I try to dry it. Love it. This hydrating curl refresher, it's okay. I don't really usually apply products when like to refresh my curls, so but it's okay. I really like it. And the restoring oil, very nice too. It reminds me like the Moroccan oil treatment, but the light version, and it doesn't feel greasy, but it's amazing. I love how these products smell. It smells like a dream. So these have been my favorites, and again, I am going to be repurchasing these products again. So really check that out, you guys. So for dry hair, for dull hair, for bleached hair, colored hair, these are just perfection. So I really recommend it for you guys. So I will link all of these down in the description box for you guys. I mean, these ones you can find at Walmart, and the rest I'll link it down below. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for the affordable products that I've been using. I do have more high-end, but maybe I'll do a separate video for that. So let me know if you guys have tried these. If you guys have any questions, please write to me in the comment section below. So yeah, otherwise that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.